we've got this inner structure that we're pulling with this section here, with the plastic tab with our adhesive, the first of its kind, that'll actually go to metal. Where all other systems stop and fail, our adhesives alone continue to be a success with something that's as thin as this. It is not about the amount or the quantity, it is about the bond though. And this is Solar Blitz.
You broke it! Yay!
Let's try
You broke it!
Be broken instead of stroking. All right. What do you think, Coach? Did it break off the tab or did it break off the panel?
It broke off
the tab. All right, now. Go on, get it. Boom. Two hands, go on. Thank you, man.
Come on, pull that thing.
Wow. Ain't bigger than whatever, but still, it's on
Come on,
there.
big guy.
Yeah.
Tab just broke.
You didn't mean to put it up.
Yeah, let your dad do it.
Oh yeah.
Look at the dragon body.
That's impressive right there. Need a picture of that.
That's your packaging picture right there.
Yeah. You good? Yeah. Oh, you, I mean, all right. Okay, let go. Please take a picture of that. That's the craziest. All right.
Alrighty now.
Come on, big guy.
Hello.
Strike one. How we doing?
Jeez.
What do you think right now? What's going through your head? Please tell me.
It's holding strong.
Yeah. What is it? Who are you? How long have you been doing this?
Oh, I've been doing it 40 years now.
Doing what 40 years?
Body work.
All right. And what would you think coming in here and this is your first experience with what we have?
That thing was welded to it.